You're welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving a question from the West African School Certificate Examination for School Candidates 2016, and the question is on link mechanism. Yes, this is the question. In the link mechanism shown above, S slides along the horizontal JK. This is S, it slides along this horizontal line JK. It goes to the right and to the left along this line. While the crank ON, this is the crank ON, rotates about the pivot O, plot the locus of point P. Now, this is the pivot. This is ON. It rotates about, that means it will form a circular motion, but it is pivoted at O. It will be moving around. And it says we should plot the locus of point P when the crank ON makes one revolution. These are crank ON, that is if it moves round for one complete cycle. So we should plot the locus of point P. These are point P, and we have been given that ON is 25, which is this. NP is 55. NP, that is from here to here, is 55, whereas SP is 115. So take note of. So, and I've done the diagram. All I've drawn the horizontal line JK, this horizontal line. Then along the horizontal line, I drew a vertical line this way so that I can measure my 40. You can see here to here, at least here to the center of, to the point of the pivot is 40. So I measured 40 here. Then at this point, I now drew a circle of radius ON, which is 25. So this is the circle of radius ON, and I've divided my circle into 12 equal parts. So what I need next is to begin to plot my points starting from 1. So what it means is that since we have been told that SP is 155 and NP is 55, meaning that from N to S will be 100. By the time you subtract 55 from 155, you'll be left with NP, which is 100. So we measure 100 on our compass. 100 on our compass. Let's measure 100. Yeah, this is 100. So you stay on 1. You won't start from 1. Stay on 1. You mark arc on JK. When you mark arc on JK, you draw it back to 1 and add 55. Don't forget that our NP is 55, because I started from 20. Yes, this is 20 here, and let it pass through 1 like this. So this is 100, 150, 155 is here. So what I've done is that I've drawn a line from this point to locate my N. Then I've added 55 to it, so that will give me my P1. Then you go for number 2, the second point, which is here. You also mark an arc again, and you mark the arc. You draw it back to 2. You draw it back to 2. It is this point. Draw it back to 2 and add 55. When you add 55, this is 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 55 will be here. So you draw the line. That will be our P2. You can see from here to here is 100, and I've added 55. Let's confirm this one again. The first one. Yes, this is 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 55 is here. So it's correct too. Now let us go to 3. So that's how you do until you move round. Mark the arc here, and mark the arc there. Take it to 30 and add 55. Now this here to here is 100 and I want to add 55. 1 2 3 4 5. This is 55, so I'll add it to it like that. So this will be my P3. This is P2. Now the next one is on 5. No, on 4. We have not done 4. This is 4. It will be here. Draw it to pass through 4 and add 5. This is 1 2 3 4 5. 55 is here, so draw it back to this place. That will be a P5, P5, P4, P3. Where's P2? No, this is P2. This is P3. This is P4. We have not done P5. That's P4. So we have done P1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next one, we put it on 5. Mark the arc. It must always be, our S must always be on the horizontal line. So from there, let it pass through 5 and add 55. 1 2 3 4 5 5 5. So we draw it back to that place. That will be a P5. Now we do for P6. Put it here on 6. Mark arc. Yeah, it's somewhere here. So you take it, let it pass through 6. Let's pass through 6 like this and add 5. 1 2 3 4 5 5 5. That's 5.5 or 55. So that will be a P6. Take it to 7. Put it on 7 and mark arc. It is here. So from here, let it pass through 7. This is 7. And you add 55. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. It's moving closer and closer to our diagram. This is P7. Let's do for 8. This is for 8. This is here. So let it pass through 8. Pass through 8. Here. It's on 8. So we add 55, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Somewhere here. Draw it backward. This is P8. Then on 9, do for 9. Put it on 9. Mark arc on JK. Then take it back to 9. 9 to be on 9. 9 like that. So we add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. So that is P9. Then do it for 10. Put it on 10 and mark arc on JK. The horizontal line is JK like that. And we, it is here 20. It's on 10. It's going through 10. 10. This is 10. So we had 55, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. So take it back. That will be P10. Then we do for 11. This is on 11. We mark arc on horizontal line JK. Mark arc on horizontal line JK. Then from there, let it pass through 11. Yes, it's on 11. So let us add 55, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 is there. Take it back to that place. So that will be P11. And the last one, which is 12. That is N12. Mark it on horizontal line JK, which is this point, and Pass through 12. Through 12. Yes, it's on 12. Then it has 55. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 is here. So we can take it back to that point. So these are P12. So we have all our points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you join with French curve. I think join with French curve. And then you join with French curve. Yes, we can join all these points together up to this place. Then let us see how to join this one too. Let us try this other side. No, this one is not working. Okay, let's try and join the back. This P1. Let's confirm this P1 doesn't look like P1 is from here. P1 is here. At this point, let us trace it again. 1 to this place. Aha. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. It's actually correct. It's correct. Okay, let's see 2 again. Let's confirm 2 as well, because the shape is given is not looking. Let's confirm 2. Okay, 2 is here. Let's see. And 2. This is 2. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 is here. Yeah, I knew something was wrong. Let's confirm it again. This is 2. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 is here. 55 is this point. This is P2. So this one is wrong. So you should be able to detect whenever you are suspecting error in your construction. Let's try another French curve. Let's try this one. Let's try this. This one looks more like it. Yeah. This one's. Yes. Last part, which is here. Let's see how it goes. We need this short one. Let's join it like this. So that is the locus of point P. The locus of this point P, as it moves round, pivoted on point O. So that's the locus of point P for the question. So that's the solution to the question of West Africa Senior School Certificate Examination of 2016 school candidates. So if you have enjoyed the video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.